Y'all, we are almost to the end. I have 2 more videos to go for my 12 days of Vlogmas. So yeah, just want to hop on here and give y'all a quick intro and say welcome or welcome back. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back to my oldie but goodies. I love y'all to the moon and back. And also welcome to my new subscribers who are here. Thank y'all for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and thank you for hanging in there with me for this 12 days of Vlogmas that I am doing. We're almost at the end, you all. And if you have been watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so you can get notified once I post videos here onto my channel. So yeah, this is Vlogmas day 10 video, you all, and it's a simple homemade simmer pot, or how they say potpourri for your home to make it smell like more into whatever fall or other seasons that you are in. And this one here I found on Pinterest, and I'll definitely link it down below for you all. And yeah, so go ahead and click through and watch this video to the end, guys. Bye.
I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.